Welcome to this deeply nourishing meditation focusing on bringing balance and healing to both soul and body. Let's begin this journey together by finding our way home to ourselves. Whether this is your first time meditating or you've been practicing for years, you belong here exactly as you are. There's nothing you need to fix or change about yourself in this moment. We're simply creating space to reconnect with the natural balance that already exists within you. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. This might be sitting on a cushion, in a chair, or even lying down if that feels right for your body today. Allow your spine to be naturally upright without forcing it into rigidity. Think of it as finding that sweet spot between effort and ease. Take a moment to set an intention for this practice. Perhaps it's to feel more connected to your body, to find peace in the midst of life's challenges, or simply to be present with whatever arises. There's no right or wrong intention. We're creating a safe space here together, a sanctuary where you can let down your guard and simply be. For the next 15 minutes, this is your time to tend to yourself with the same loving kindness you would offer a dear friend. We'll be working with the mantra, I bring balance and healing to both my soul and body, as a gentle anchor throughout our practice. Allow these words to become a bridge between your inner and outer experience, connecting the wisdom of your heart with the intelligence of your body. Let's begin by simply arriving here in this moment, exactly as you are. Start by taking 3 slow, conscious breaths. Don't worry about making them perfect. Just let each breath be a gentle invitation to arrive more fully in your body. On your next inhale, imagine you're breathing in spaciousness and calm. On your exhale, let go of any tension or urgency from your day. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Notice how your body is feeling in this moment. Perhaps there's tension in your shoulders, or your stomach feels tight, or maybe there's a sense of restlessness. Whatever you find, meet it with curiosity rather than judgment. Your body is always communicating with you. Right now, it's asking for your gentle attention. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing. This simple gesture connects you to the fundamental balance between giving and receiving, between effort and rest, that exists within every breath. With each inhale, silently say to yourself, I bring balance and healing. With each exhale, complete the phrase, to both my soul and body. Let these words settle into you like seeds planted in fertile ground. Now, let's explore what balance means for you in this moment. Balance isn't about being perfectly still or having everything figured out. It's about finding your center in the midst of movement, like a tree that bends with the wind but remains rooted. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, flowing in and flowing out. There's no need to control it. Just let it find its natural rhythm. Notice how your body already knows how to balance the inhale and exhale without any effort from you. This is the same wisdom that knows how to heal, how to rest, how to renew itself. If you notice your mind wandering to your to-do list, your worries, or planning for later, that's completely natural. Simply return to your mantra. I bring balance and healing to both my soul and body. These words are like a gentle bell, calling you back to this moment. Let's bring our attention to different parts of the body, offering each area the gift of our presence. Starting with the top of your head, imagine breathing healing energy into your scalp, your forehead, around your eyes. Notice if there's any tension here and breathe softness into these areas. Move your attention down to your jaw and neck. So often we hold the stress of unspoken words here. Breathe into these areas with compassion. You don't need to fix anything. Just offer your presence. Continue this gentle journey through your body. Breathe into your shoulders, letting them soften away from your ears. Notice your arms, your hands. These are the parts of you that reach out to the world, that give and receive. Offer them gratitude for all they do. Bring your attention to your chest, your heart space. This is where your emotions live, where you feel love and sometimes pain. Breathe here with extra tenderness. Your heart is both strong and vulnerable, and both qualities are needed for healing. Notice your stomach, your belly. This is where you digest not just food, but experiences, emotions, the events of your life. If there's any tightness here, breathe into it with the understanding that your body is always working to find balance. Move down to your hips, your legs, your feet. These are the parts of you that carry you through life, that ground you to the earth. Feel your connection to the support beneath you. As you breathe into each area, repeat your mantra. I bring balance and healing to both my soul and body. Let these words be like a warm light moving through you, not forcing change, but simply offering love to whatever is present. Now, let's explore the connection between your soul and body. Your soul is the part of you that remains constant through all of life's changes. It's your deepest essence, your capacity for love, wisdom, and connection. Your body is the temporary home for this essence, the vehicle through which you experience this life. Sometimes we treat these as separate, but they're intimately connected. When your soul feels heavy with grief, your body might feel tired. When your body is tense, your spirit might feel constricted. The healing of one supports the healing of the other. Imagine a golden thread connecting your heart to every cell in your body. This thread carries love, acceptance, and the intention to heal. You don't need to understand how healing works. Just trust that your body and soul are always conspiring toward wholeness. If you're dealing with physical pain or illness, breathe into these areas with extra compassion. You're not trying to make the pain go away through willpower, but rather offering it the presence it needs to transform. Sometimes healing looks like cure, and sometimes it looks like finding peace within challenge. If you're experiencing emotional pain, confusion, or grief, let these feelings be held in the loving space of your awareness. Your soul is vast enough to hold all of your experiences. You don't need to rush toward feeling better. Just be with what is, breathing balance into the intensity. Take a moment to appreciate your body's incredible wisdom. Right now, without any conscious effort from you, your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your cells are regenerating. Your body is a miracle of intelligence and resilience. At the same time, appreciate your soul's capacity to love, to hope, to find meaning, even in difficult circumstances. Your soul is the part of you that can witness your thoughts and emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Repeat your mantra one more time with deep intention. I bring balance and healing to both my soul and body. Let these words be a commitment to yourself, a promise to treat yourself with the kindness you deserve. As we prepare to close this meditation, know that this sense of balance and presence you've found here is always available to you. You can return to this felt sense of wholeness anytime by simply placing your hand on your heart and taking a conscious breath. The healing you've touched in this practice isn't something you need to earn or achieve. It's your birthright, as natural as breathing. Trust in your body's wisdom to heal. Trust in your soul's capacity to find peace. And trust in the connection between them. As you prepare to open your eyes and return to your day, carry with you the sense of balance and healing. You are whole exactly as you are, and at the same time, you are always growing and healing. Both things can be true. When you encounter stress or challenge today, remember that you have everything you need within you to find your center again. Your breath, your body, your innate wisdom are always available to you. Take one more deep breath, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You've given yourself a beautiful gift today. I wish you moments of peace and presence throughout your day. Stay mindful, friends.